What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little different. I'm actually not wrapping a vehicle. I've been wanting to fix up the warehouse a little bit. I've been doing a lot of reorganizing, trying to make this place a little more functional for me. And the thing I've been wanting to do is fix up my front room. So when you first walk in the door, that's the first thing that customers see and everything. And it's kind of plain, it's kind of boring. So we're going to wrap some counters, paint some walls, do some different things. So I'll take you up front and I'll show you what we have planned. Alright, so here's my front room right here, front door's right here, so when you walk in, you have this counter. This one's actually I wrapped yesterday, so it did look like this yesterday. It was basically wood finish. It's a nice look, but I want to go for something different. So this counter still needs to be wrapped, as well as the cabinet below. This wall will be going a gray, and this back wall will get painted gray as well, with my logo and everything on there. So then I have a few more things I want to add on the wall just to kind of finish this up and make it more comfortable as people do hang out and wait and for consultation. So I'll show you some of this process reviving the front room. Alright, so just finished up coating that wall. I just hit up some light spots, so there are some spots that are still wet, but it looks great so far. And then I'm going to paint this wall here, that's wide, this half wall counter. I'm going to paint that in the same gray to match, and I think the chairs are going to pop really nice. And so once that dries, I'll throw on the outlets, kind of move some of the furniture back, the doorknob, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so just wanted to update you on the front room. I got some stuff hung on the walls and put some more stuff in. It's looking a lot better, so check it out. Here's the wall we painted the other day. Got the chairs all lined up. I still need a table here, and a few shelves on the walls, some merch on the walls. Got the fridge set up with all the samples, and it's looking good. So it's coming together. I still need my logo back there, but I'll keep you guys updated up here. So we're going to be taking a break from the front room and installing some RaceDeck floors. Not doing the whole shop yet. I'm just kind of doing an L shape, following back here and kind of along this cutout for the production area. It's going to look really good for those of you that aren't familiar with them. They're basically a 12 by 12 tile that locks together. So this one is called their free flow tile. So any water, dirt, anything like that will pass through, and it can easily be lifted up to clean or vacuumed to maintain. So most of the floor will be black, and then I have a graphite tile as the accent color. Everything behind me I need to get removed off the walls and out of the way. Sweep the floor, make sure everything's good to lay down the tile. I'll probably throw you guys on a time lapse and just show you the process of laying everything down, and then afterwards I'll give you my final review on how the install went and what I think of everything. Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since we did the RaceDeck flooring, and I just want to show you guys the finished product and give you my overall review. So this is the area that we laid down the tiles on. This is my production area, so I have my tools, my cutting table to cut all the panels out and everything. So like I said, we've had these for a few weeks, and so I've really gotten to test them out, and I absolutely love them. It really gives the shop a classier look, and it makes the space feel so much bigger. My only complaint, I guess, would be like if your shoes are wet or you are using this as a wash bay, it's kind of slippery, but I've seen some different people scuff up the tiles or do something to kind of eliminate that issue. But for my use, absolutely love them. I definitely want to add on to this. I do have a strip over here that I still need to cut and add on, so I believe it's 7 tiles that I need to trim just to fit that space there. But once I have some time between vehicles, I'll get all that laid. But like I said before, I am super happy with the floors. The thing that I love most is that they are portable. They're not attached to the floor permanently. So since I am leasing this space, if I decide to move, I can take these tiles and I can set them up in the new place. And if the area that they need to cover is bigger, all I need to do is order some more tiles from RaceDeck and just snap them together and basically build off of that. So another popular alternative to doing these floors would be an epoxy coating, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. You do have to sand the floors and lay multiple layers of epoxy. If you own a building, that's perfect. They do hold up very well. But if you are renting like I am, or if you're renting a garage and you're considering doing your floor, I think this is a good portable option if you decide to move, and you can kind of take it with you, add on, do whatever you need to do. And also with epoxy, you have cure times. So when you're laying that, you have to wait for it to dry before you can pull cars on, pull toolboxes on, walk on it. And for this, it took 30 minutes with a couple friends, and we were able to walk on it, pull cars on it, toolboxes, whatever we needed to do immediately after. So that's something to consider. But check out RaceDeck.com. They do have a design software where you can put in your dimensions, pick your different tiles, and basically change any color, make whatever pattern or design you want. Submit it for a quote, and then they get back to you super quick with your quote, and you can decide to move forward or make any changes from there. They shipped out super fast. Customer service was great. I highly recommend them, and I look forward to working with them again. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.